Everyone says SEO is dead, but Google just invested billions proving it's evolving into something bigger, and most businesses have no idea how to adapt. Hey everyone, I'm Mohammed, founder of Digital Dev. Today we're diving into Google's massive search redesign, the first major overhaul in 25 years, and why your lead generation strategy needs to change today. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how search is shifting, why your competitors are already losing visibility, and the 3 moves you need to make before it's too late. Let's start with context. Google's search interface has been basically the same since 1998. A white box, you type keywords, you get a list of blue links. That simplicity made Google dominate. But here's what changed. How people actually search has completely evolved. According to Google's own data, 40% of searches today are now conversational queries. People asking full questions instead of typing 3 keywords. Think about it. Instead of typing best CRM for small business, users now ask, what CRM should I use if I have a team of 5 and need automation? That's a completely different search behavior. Google's redesign isn't cosmetic. It's a full pivot toward AI-powered discovery. The new interface emphasizes AI overviews, formerly called SG, Search Generative Experience, which provide instant answers generated by AI before users even click a website. This is the biggest shift in 25 years, and it fundamentally changes how businesses capture leads. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI overviews are stealing clicks. According to recent studies from SEMrush and Moz, websites are seeing 18 to 64% drops in click-through rates on queries where AI overviews appear. Why? Because the AI already answered the question, so users don't need to visit your site. This isn't just happening to small businesses. Even major brands are experiencing visibility collapse in their traditional traffic patterns. The problem? Most SEO strategies from the last decade were built around getting that #1 ranking. But if an AI overview answers the question first, ranking #1 means almost nothing. At Digital Dev, we help businesses navigate exactly this kind of seismic shift. We're working with agencies and service providers to reposition their content strategy around visibility within AI systems, not just ranking in traditional search. Here's what's shifting. Google is prioritizing expertise, authority, and real-world experience in its AI overviews. If your content is thin, keyword-stuffed, or generic, you're invisible now. If your content demonstrates genuine expertise and real client results, AI systems pull from you and cite you. The second major shift is intentional. Google's new design makes conversational search the default. Mobile users now see an AI chat interface similar to ChatGPT. Desktop users get the same. What does this mean? People aren't searching for products anymore. They're asking for solutions. A contractor searching for lead generation for contractors isn't just researching. They want to know, how do I get qualified leads without spending $5,000 on ads? What systems do successful contractors use? How long does it take to see results? This shift favors content that answers real business questions. Blog posts, case studies, detailed guides, not product pages. This is why YouTube, TikTok, and industry communities are now competing directly with Google for search traffic. In fact, 40% of Gen Z now searches TikTok instead of Google, according to data from Backlinko and Google itself. If your lead generation strategy relies solely on ranking for keywords on Google, you're already behind. So what dies and what survives in this new search landscape? Dying, thin content, keyword rankings without authority, generic landing pages, businesses relying on paid search to compensate for SEO weakness. Surviving and thriving, businesses with real expertise demonstrated through case studies, client testimonials, and specific results. Businesses building audiences on multiple platforms. Businesses creating content that gets cited by AI systems. Businesses with clear, conversion-optimized pathways once people discover them. Here's the math. If you're getting 40% less traffic from your traditional #1 ranking, but you've built authority that AI systems cite, you're still winning because the traffic that comes in is higher quality and more intent-driven. The businesses winning right now are those who understand. SEO isn't dead. It's just transformed from rank for keywords to become the source AI systems cite. At Digital Dev, We're helping businesses automate this transition through AI-powered content audits and strategic repositioning. It's not about creating more content. It's about making your existing expertise discoverable to both humans and AI. Here are the 3 things you need to do right now. 1. Audit your content for AI discoverability. Ask, would an AI system pull from my content to answer common questions in my industry? If not, rewrite. Focus on detailed methodology, specific examples, and real results. 2. Diversify your visibility. Don't rely on Google alone. Build presence where your audience actually searches: YouTube, LinkedIn, industry communities, TikTok. This isn't optional anymore. This is where the customer journey starts. 3. Build authority signals. Client testimonials. Case studies with numbers. Press mentions. These signal to AI systems that your content is worth citing. More citations means more visibility in AI overviews, which means more qualified leads. The window to adapt is closing fast. In 6 to 12 months, most businesses will realize their lead generation pipeline has fundamentally shifted. Don't be the one scrambling. Start adapting now. So here's my question for you. Comment below and tell me, are you currently relying on SEO as your primary lead generation channel? I want to hear what you're seeing in your industry. Second, subscribe right now so you don't miss our breakdown of how to actually build this authority-first content strategy. We're releasing that next week, and if you're serious about staying ahead of this shift, you need to see it. Third, if you want to dive deeper into how to adapt your lead generation funnel for AI-powered search, visit mdigitaldev.com. That's where we help businesses like yours completely automate their lead capture for the new search landscape. Link is in the description. Next week, we're breaking down the exact content framework that AI systems love to cite, the framework we use with clients to dominate AI overviews. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one.